All right, y'all, what we got here? Mizuno baseball helmet for my kiddo. And the padding keeps coming out. Happens quite a bit. So what I did to the other one is I used contact cement. I've already applied it in there. Applied it here. Place it in here. As so. Then I'm going to clamp it down. And we believe we leave it on here about 24 hours. Just to make sure it sticks. I did the other one about 2 or 3 weeks ago, the other side. I absolutely had no problems. And then this side fell off. So I'm hoping if this lasts the season, we have to do this every season, it's well worth the money. Still same protection. We want to go get new helmets every single season. So that's it. Come back in 24 hours, release the clamps, and all is well. If you like this, let me know. Please share it with your friends, share with your baseball team, let them know how to get this fixed. Contact cement, real simple stuff, and let this sit for about 24 hours. Like, subscribe, we'll have more videos. Thanks a lot, bye.